is dragging single clips. A complete folder can be dropped onto the timeline or edit viewer for assembly. Even additional folders can be added. Only media at the top layer of a folder will be included, and the subfolder will be ignored. You can also assemble folders into a source viewer. Many creatives prefer this as you can view an entire day's content as a single source role for editing from source side to edit side. As in my previous video, you can assemble in date order, alphabetically, or auto-sync for sync map or multi-camera purposes. In the next tutorial, I'll discuss editorial from the source or edit viewer.